Tell them about Jamaica, you know. Look on it. On the beach today and we have see this. See that? Remember, you know. I him say paradise, you see? Good old paradise. Yeah. One and only extra.
Okay, me then know. Them things we are sing about.
Now tell you about, man. Paradise. Like you know I'm showing a look more about paradise. Bumbuck, like. How we say paradise? When we say paradise, we say paradise. Jamaica paradise. When I see what I go on, eh? How we say paradise, my G? Jamaica paradise, and that with it. See the beauty of it? Look on it. Them things we are talking about. Fresh. See me? The beauty of it me I talk about. Fresh. Just look on it. Natural. You see it? That's why God said from a pillar to the post. Natural vibration. You see me? Yeah. That's what I think the people. So me I show you what I'm going. See me? Because never last away, you know. See me? Them places how them pretty. Next door to Dunsiva that round there so. See beauty? Them places me I tell you about. See me? Either way. Far away. Them places me I tell you about. Them places. See me? Different meditation. That's what I go on. Fresh entrance, is it? The people as you see. One and only. What you alone you can come find them places. You can come find the energy in Jamaica. Watch him. Center next door to Miami Bay. See me? The phone might not show you so clear, but you can see as far as reach on this are Ria and Joel's. See me, all of them piece of property there. As people can see, fresh on there. With that pearly beach side you know so. See your thing go. Different energy with it on now. Go and take a early morning tour. Eat some sea grape. As you can see. Fresh in the morning ya people. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, you see me? Keep the thing growing, you know? One way in, one way out, as I said. Don't forget, Dougal General. One way. You see me? One way in, one way out. They are going to wait for the fisherman this morning, because for a walk this morning we can look some fish. Maybe almost 2 miles. You see me? They don't have to walk so far still, but can give elder support so you don't see anything go. Look some fish this morning to go and eat and yeah. Yesterday we cook some vegetable and sitting, as you can see. So today we look some fish this morning for go up so what we can do, you see it? So that's how we do the right thing. As you can see people. Different from the average, you see it? Fresh. Nice clean water, you see me?